Tired of project management chaos and teamwork breakdowns? Let's transform that mess into a symphony of productivity with ClickUp. First, we'll start with spaces. Think of these as your high-level containers for different departments or major project categories to create a space. Look to the left sidebar, find the Spaces section, and click the plus icon. Give it a descriptive name, like marketing or software development. Choose a color and icon to visually differentiate it, and set your privacy settings. Next up are lists. Inside each space, you'll create lists to represent specific projects or workflows. Click the New List button within your space. Name your list Euro, for example, website redesign or social media campaign Euro, and select a layout that suits your workflow, like a list view, board view, or calendar view. Tasks are the building blocks of your projects. Click the plus icon within a list to create a new task. Add a clear and concise title. Assign it to a team member by clicking the Assignee field. Set a due date, and choose a priority level. You can also add descriptions, attachments, and subtasks for more detailed breakdowns. Collaboration is key. Click on a task to open it and use the comment section to communicate with your team. Mention specific team members using the @ symbol to notify them directly. ClickUp also allows for real-time document editing within tasks, fostering seamless teamwork. Track your progress with ClickUp's powerful reporting features. Navigate to the Dashboards section to create custom dashboards that visualize key metrics, such as task completion rates, team workload, and project timelines. This gives you a bird's-eye view of your team's performance. And that's it. Euro, the fundamentals of ClickUp. By mastering spaces, lists, tasks, collaboration, and reporting, you can unlock a new level of project management efficiency and teamwork harmony. For more in-depth tutorials, check out the resources linked in the description below. Now go and conquer your projects with ClickUp.